Introducing Connected GST in TallyPrime 5.0. With this feature, you can upload GST invoices that are ready to upload directly to GSTN portal in a matter of seconds. Go to Exchange, Upload, and click Send. Enter OTP for validation, and just like that, GST data is uploaded. You can check the uploaded invoices and also know the time of upload. You can file GST returns at the end of return period directly from TallyPrime. Go to Exchange and file GSTR1. Click on Send. TallyPrime compares book data with uploaded invoices and gives you a comparison summary. You can sign the returns using digital signature or electronic verification code. After filing, you will get the acknowledgement number and filed return summary. You can download GST returns data for reconciliation directly from TallyPrime. Go to Exchange and download GST returns. You have the option to set the period and return type to download. Just click on Download to get the returns data from GSTN portal. Here you can see the downloaded reconciliation data. With the connected GST experience introduced in TallyPrime Release 5.0, you can create a party ledger quicker than ever. All you need to have is the GSTN UIN of the party. In the ledger creation screen, press Alt-L. Enter the GSTN UIN and there you go. You've got all the details of the party. Just copy the details. You have your master ready with accurate details straight from GSTN. You can do this for multiple parties at once. Press Alt-G, type bulk or multi and open the bulk ledger creation using GSTN UIN report. You can either enter all the GSTN UINs manually or import the Excel file containing the list. Press Alt-F to import GSTN UIN from Excel file. Select the file to import. Once you get all the GSTN UINs, press Ctrl-A. The ledger details get displayed. It has all the information. With the connected GST experience, you have the GST portal data just a few clicks away and you get to know the ITC at risk. Press Alt-G, type or select Bills Payable, GST, Predefined View and press Enter. Here, you can view difference in tax amount and the balance after difference in tax at the bill level. To know how the difference in amount is calculated, press F7. You get to know the amount in books and that on the GST portal. The difference in amount is considered as the ITC at risk. And you also get to know the balance amount to be paid to the seller after considering the ITC at risk.